Hello friends, my name is Bhavna and I love cooking because it has been my passion right from my childhood. I used to see a lot of cookery shows on TV and I used to try those dishes at home, try to make something different for my mom and dad and my brothers right before marriage. And one of the interesting event of my life would be preparing a dish which is called dahi vada. Of course, it is very mouth-watering when you say dahi vada. You want to have it, and I tried it once, and it was really liked by everyone in the family. So whenever I used to go to my mom's place or visit my in-laws, it is one thing that I always prepare. And one of my cooking hero would be, of course, my daughter. I mean, I love cooking for her, small things. She likes to eat paneer a lot, so I kind of try a lot of innovation making paneer. It's just not the normal one that I make. Nutritious, adding some strawberries to it. She loves strawberries and other vegetables as well. So and I really want to thank Radical Rice for giving me the opportunity in my society to participate in this event and make it to the winning. And I'm of course looking forward to the other levels as well, to other challenges as well. Radical Rice, we have been using this rice for the competition as well. It's not new that I've tried in the competition, and it really tastes good and nutritious. We have been using other brands of rice like Lal Killa and India Gate, but this is something we've switched over to because it is low on the budget and it is really good, low on the fat as well. So yes, I want to thank you Radical Rice and looking forward to an opportunity to win ahead. Thank you.